we have sewn, we've seam finished, we're going to press it now. Right now, fabric has kind of a memory. You can see it doesn't really want to like lay flat, and that's what we want. So there's a couple of things that we can do to get that to stay flat. So the first way that I'm going to show you is to open up your seams and to press them to each side. That's going to reduce bulk so that everything's not on just one side. I'm going to lightly spray it with some water using my spray bottle. And what that's going to do is it'll produce steam that'll help to set that seam. I'm also going to use a press cloth. There's a couple functions of a press cloth. One, it's going to protect your fabric from the iron. Sometimes when you have an iron-on fabric, it will create shine marks on it. Or sometimes if your iron is too hot, it can actually melt it, and this kind of protects it. We are doing a pressing motion. Pressing is up and down. Think about when you press an elevator button. You don't rub it back and forth. You push it and you release. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to push it. We're putting some pressure on it, hence pressing. And then we're going to release. And that allows your fabric to lay much flatter than what it was before. Now sometimes, depending on your project, you'll press both of your seams over to one side. In those cases, that's when you would serge those layers together. So we're going to do that example too of both seam allowances to the same side. Again, press cloth over your fabric. We're going to press just for a few seconds, lift up, and it'll stay. If you don't feel like it's staying, or you feel like you've got a crease in it, you can fold it over to the other side. Again, light mist, you don't need your fabric sopping wet. We're just going to kind of spread it open a little bit. Make sure that stays. Hold it, release, and it's flattened. These watermarks will eventually evaporate and you won't have a problem.